Okay, so I got the switch panel all in. Nitrous is all wired up. See, no more switches. No more cluster of switches all over the place. Now all the switches are over here. Just got the tank filled. 25-pound tank. See, now everything works right off of this box. Anything that I want, I can engage my nitrous here. Transmission fans, blue LED lights. You see how it kind of works. I'm not going to engage them all right now because they're not set up to be engaged. Software needs set up a little bit yet. All the wiring is complete. This is just showing that the power is on to the box. Turned out pretty decent. And then I made it so it's actually, I can remove it off of here if I want. All I gotta do is lift it up and off of the hook. So it's on. So that's a fully fabricated box. I made it myself. There you got it. Now we're going to go out and try it out on the road. Let's see. Oh, let's have a brake. See my brake whenever I hit it. And that also controls the launch control on it. See, right now I'm lighting this light up. If I engage the launch control, now I've engaged the launch. It knows by lighting up the second red light. Alright.